Now, liking is we say yes to people that are similar to us, and unity is different. We work together with people because they're on the same team, and we like them just because they're on the same team. After something happens in a basketball game, the whistle blows and a player falls down and other players come to help pick them up. After a player shoots a free throw, whether they hit it or not, other players reach in and they touch that player. Have you seen this? Have you ever seen this? For those of you that watch a little bit of basketball, yeah. There's actually research that shows that teams that touch each other faster after a free throw win more games. And it's an indication, it's a physical indication of liking each other on the team because we're part of this team. And if we don't touch each other fast enough, that's sort of like, that guy's a jerk. I'll just reach out slowly. Or maybe not at all. But even still, I got to do this. Hey, we'll touch hands. But if we're a team that's working together and we're really trying to make this happen, shoot, hey, I'm right there. Whether you hit it or not, we're part of a team. That's an indication of unity. And that's what we do together when we're on a team. We support each other.